The financial world is no stranger to innovation. Today, a new wave of technology is transforming how we invest automated trading. This approach utilizes sophisticated software and algorithms to execute trades without human intervention. Imagine a world where your investments work for you 24/7, capitalizing on market opportunities even while you sleep. This is the promise of automated trading. It's like having a tireless expert constantly monitoring and managing your portfolio. This technology is revolutionizing both the cryptocurrency and stock markets. For seasoned investors and newcomers alike, automated trading offers a way to potentially enhance returns and streamline the investment process. However, like any powerful tool, it requires careful understanding and application. This video will delve into the exciting world of automated trading, exploring its applications, benefits, and potential drawbacks. By demystifying this increasingly popular investment strategy, we aim to equip you with the knowledge to navigate the exciting future of finance. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the fast-paced world of trading, it can also be the key to unlocking significant financial opportunities. So buckle up and prepare to explore the fascinating world of automated trading. The cryptocurrency market, known for its volatility and 24/7 trading cycle, is a prime example of where automation is making waves. Crypto trading bots are software programs designed to automate trading strategies and execute trades on your behalf. These bots operate based on predefined parameters and can monitor market conditions, analyze trends, and execute trades at lightning speed, far exceeding human capabilities. Platforms like 3 and Krill.io have emerged as popular choices for crypto enthusiasts looking to harness the power of automation. 3 for instance, offers a user-friendly interface and a suite of tools for creating and managing trading bots. Traders can choose from pre-built bot strategies or customize their own, setting parameters such as entry and exit points, stop-loss orders, and take-profit targets. Krill.io, on the other hand, provides a unique visual strategy builder, allowing users to design and test trading algorithms without the need for coding experience. These are just a few examples of the many crypto trading bots and platforms available. Each comes with its own set of features, pricing plans, and levels of complexity. When choosing a bot, it's crucial to consider factors such as your risk tolerance, trading experience, and investment goals. The world of stock market investing is also embracing automation. Automated trading systems, often referred to as algorithmic trading systems, are becoming increasingly popular among institutional and individual investors alike. These systems utilize pre-programmed algorithms to analyze market data, identify trading opportunities, and execute trades automatically. Traders can set specific parameters such as entry and exit points, stop-loss orders, and trailing stops to control their risk and optimize their trading strategies. This eliminates the need for manual intervention and allows trades to be executed instantly when preset conditions are met, regardless of the trader's physical presence. This speed and efficiency are particularly advantageous in fast-moving markets where milliseconds can make a significant difference. The benefits of automated stock trading extend beyond speed and efficiency. By removing emotional decision-making from the equation, these systems can help traders adhere to their strategies and avoid impulsive trades driven by fear or greed. Moreover, automated systems can monitor multiple markets and assets simultaneously, identifying opportunities that a human trader might miss. While the allure of automated trading is undeniable, it's crucial to approach this investment strategy with a healthy dose of caution. Like any form of trading, automated trading involves inherent risks that need to be carefully considered. Market volatility, particularly in the unpredictable world of cryptocurrencies, can lead to substantial losses, especially when using leverage or aggressive trading strategies. Technical issues such as software glitches, connectivity problems, or power outages can also disrupt trading activities and result in unexpected losses. Security is another paramount concern, as automated trading systems often require access to your trading accounts and sensitive information. It's essential to choose reputable platforms with robust security measures in place to protect your assets from unauthorized access. Before diving headfirst into automated trading, it's vital to thoroughly research and understand the intricacies of this approach. This includes familiarizing yourself with different trading platforms, strategies, and risk management techniques. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results, and there is no guaranteed path to riches in the financial markets. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.